Welcome. Today, we're going to explore a powerful tool for communication, the self-disclosure ladder. This isn't just a concept, it's a practical system for building trust and getting others to open up naturally. Think of it as a staircase. You start at the bottom, sharing information that's safe and superficial, and gradually move up to deeper, more personal levels. The key is to ascend together, step by step. The first rung on the ladder is the level of cliches and small talk. This is where most interactions begin. You're sharing pleasantries and non-information. Examples include comments about the weather, traffic, or generic greetings like, "How are you?" without expecting a detailed answer. It's about acknowledging presence and initiating contact safely. Moving up, we reach the level of facts. Here, you share information that is factual and doesn't reveal much about your inner world. This could be about your job, a hobby, or a recent event, but stated objectively. You might say, "I work in marketing," or "I just finished reading a fascinating book about history." It's sharing information, but keeping it external and non-emotional. The third level involves sharing opinions and beliefs. This is a significant step because it reveals more of your perspective. However, at this stage, you typically share opinions on less controversial topics. You might express a preference for a certain type of music or share your thoughts on a movie. It shows more of who you are, but still maintains a degree of safety. Now we're getting into deeper territory. Level 4 is about sharing feelings and personal experiences. This requires more vulnerability and trust. You might talk about how a particular event made you feel, or share a personal anecdote. This level involves expressing emotions and sharing parts of your personal history. The highest level is peak disclosure. This involves sharing deep, intimate feelings, beliefs, and experiences. This level is reserved for relationships with significant trust and closeness. It involves discussing core values, deep fears, or highly personal life events. Reaching this level requires both individuals to have successfully navigated the lower levels together. The principle behind the ladder is reciprocity. You initiate disclosure at a certain level, and the other person is more likely to respond at a similar level. You don't jump from small talk to peak disclosure. Start low and gradually increase the depth of your sharing. Observe how the other person responds. If they reciprocate, you can consider moving up a rung. If they don't, maintain the current level or step back. This systematic approach builds trust incrementally. It allows both parties to feel safe and in control of how much they reveal, fostering genuine connection naturally over time.